Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all my favorite things. Today's video is a cooking video. If you can tell by the title, we're doing another 30-minute meal. Today we are making enchiladas, beef enchiladas. Really simple. I have two sides that are microwavable because I'm not in the mood today. So this is going to be a really quick meal, and I'm doing this in efforts to help some other moms, but also to help myself, so that I have a routine of meals that I can make quickly and have a reference for myself if I get bored. I'm also going to plan on trying some new recipes, so if you have any quick one pot or quick meals that you make at your household fresh off of work, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate them, and maybe I will feature them in this series. All right, let's get cooking. Okay guys, never mind Miles playing in the background, but I wanted to check in because the first portion of this video I was chatting through what I use for my basis in enchiladas. I use ground beef, and I use a taco seasoning packet just to season the beef, and then I simply just add the enchilada sauce right out the can. I brown my ground beef, then I put in my taco seasoning and any other seasonings that I enjoy using, and then I just add the sauce and some cheese. It is really the easiest meal, and it's so quick, simple, and it tastes really, really good. Yeah, so that's really what I'm doing here, and that's the only part you really missed. I recorded it, but I have no idea where it went. I guess it got corrupt and I couldn't bring it in here. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Miles is having a great time with his monster trucks. I'm really sorry.